Live from Chicago's NBC5, this is NBC5 News at 5.
First at 5, he was called the nose doctor, an Indiana physician famous for his sinus surgeries. But Dr. Mark Weinberger is accused of never performing some of those surgeries, and after 5 years of hiding in the Italian Alps, faces his first civil trial. Good afternoon from Studio 5. I'm Allison Rosati.
And I'm Dick Johnson in for Rob Stafford. The legal troubles for Dr. Mark Weinberger loom larger tonight. The first of many civil suits begins with allegations the nose doctor performed hundreds of needless surgeries or even no surgeries at all and still billed insurance companies for them. NBC5's Marianne Ahern has covered the Weinberger case from the beginning and has more now on what happened in court today.
Shawn Barnes, along with her aunt Peggy Hood, never thought they'd see this day. They're at the Lake County Superior Courthouse in Hammond as the civil lawsuit against Dr. Mark Weinberger begins. Shawn's mother and Peggy's sister, Phyllis Barnes, died nearly 7 years ago. She was a former patient of Weinberger's who lawyers believe underwent unnecessary surgery.
It was a difficult time for her when she was alive, struggling to live as normally as she could. And now that she's passed, it's been very hard for me.
It feels good to finally be getting some closure and ending this because we've lived with it for such a long time.
Weinberger disappeared, leaving not only his wife, but his Maryville, Indiana sinus clinic, discovered some 5 years later hiding in the Italian Alps. Weinberger's lavish lifestyle not well documented. The surgeon allegedly never performed hundreds of sinus surgeries but collected from patients' insurance companies.
He seems to completely lack any sort of empathy for other people, and especially for his patients. And so what he did to my mom was pretty unforgivable, knowing that he could have prevented it.
This is the first civil suit in Weinberger's case.
It's a case seeking punitive damages against Weinberger individually, and we believe that that number should be at least $25 to $50 million.
Weinberger disappeared just days before Phyllis Barnes died from lung cancer.
We had so many compassionate, wonderful people who helped her along the way, and then there was this man who completely took advantage of her. So we're just looking forward to...
We saw the best and the worst in the medical field during all this.
Yes.
Attorney Allen says this case is about setting an example, and Weinberger's conduct requires punishment. He says attorneys for Weinberger's insurance company represent the doctor in this suit. They were unavailable for interviews. This civil suit is expected to continue for the next 2 weeks.